it back at me, I gave a move. That ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them.
Welcome to Tours with a More Breeze. Today, I'm gonna show you how I load this thing in the car. First, you gotta go to my apartment to go drop it off. That first intro of me pulling the cart out the garage, I'm gonna be showing you how I get it ready every day. So what I basically do is pull out the garage, put the little chucks behind the wheels, make sure everything's working on the screws, nothing like that. Almost like I'm doing a mini pre-trip inspection on it. But yep, just to save some time, I'll show you when I'll restart the video when I get to the car. Peace. I'm back. Alright, so I'm about to show you how I load this thing in the car. The reason why I'm loading it in the car because we're going to a park. We're gonna be doing routes on it, like I said in the comments. I'll be doing like little trolley routes or bus routes. My childhood park I used to go to called Dale Homes in Saint Pete. It's like an hour drive away from here. That'll be worth it. I'll do anything for my comments. That's how you load the golf cart inside the car. See you when I get down the road. Welcome back. We got finally made the Dale Homes Park. Taking test drives for my new business. I'm gonna do this business called Luxury Adventures. Where I'm gonna be transporting people around this park. Dale Homes. Alright, about to go across the Station Bridge right here. How much weight can it hold? I'm not plugged in, I'll get weight right now. Alright. Pretty sure it's like a bro. So that's good. And then we get here, it's gonna say welcome to the tornado tower down part. And then all the it says all that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all $1. And then we right here, I gotta be the fourth one. Oh. Luxury adventures. Yeah. It's supposed to have snacks. I have menu, I have maps and everything of the park. I said it at my home, but I didn't like maps of the whole layout of the park. So you got the pricing, the snacks that has on board. That's what it was originally for. Since this route's not too bad, like I don't drink too much battery, I can probably go all day with this. And I don't have to worry about pulling kids like I originally started. This bridge gives me anxiety though. I hope we find kids. Or some dope stuff for transport. I didn't get a name for that place. But it's on the map though. Memorial Dell. Welcome to the Memorial Dell. Is it comfortable to you down there? I might have to do more on higher drivers. The whole system. Yeah. I thought about doing that too. When I got more ideas. I got more money to do that. Like about 1,000. And next time it should be a lot easier to build because I know how to do it. So nice. The water's higher. I love the new boardwalk. And they got restrooms. All the restrooms are free on the way to your destination. Make a little bit of stuff. This is the bus route I want to do, guys. welcome back. So I know some people are curious, how do I charge my batteries? So what I do is I got two die-hard chargers, and I got batteries like this, diesel batteries. So what I usually do is I have 4 batteries to make 48 volts, because each of them are 12 volt. So I charge each individual one with 2 chargers. So how do I use the charger? So basically, the charging it'll be yellow, just like that one right there. When it's done, charge will be green, and you have the clamps the wrong way. That means it's not charging. So what you do, here's your clamps right here. Make sure it's unplugged before you while you put on the clamps, make sure it's unplugged. So positive on positive and negative on negative. After that, plug it in. Do that, turn off, and then let it yellow. Let it charge for a little bit. This one is already done charging, so that's good. So make sure all of them are fully charged before you hook them up. So, and make sure it's a 2 amp charger too, because these are like really good chargers. They do take like 8 hours of charge. Like for each battery, it takes like 8 hours. So no less than 16. Or that's not, depends how you do it. But yeah, expect at least 16 hours. If you buy all 4 chargers, you can shorten it down to 8. So how do I hook them up? So I got all these clamps right here. Make sure they fully charged. That's the hole where I run my battery cables to. So organize them. And it shouldn't spark long as you all fully charged. Each one got 12 volts in it, fully charged on each battery. I wait for this one to charge, and after I fully charge them, I hook them up from when this battery's in. It'll be like positive to negative, positive to negative, and positive to negative. But never like do positive and negative on the same battery, or you'll destroy it. You fuse the circuit. So like something like that, you plug it in like that, and that's how I do my batteries for my golf cart. So yep. And you curious how much all 4 of these batteries cost, including the chargers? Like about like 300. It's pretty expensive for all these batteries. But these batteries do a pretty good job. I just don't like how long they take to charge. Oh crap, I didn't mean to do that. But yep, that's what I do at the end of the day. Each day I use the golf cart, hook up the batteries, drive for the day. When they die, charge them like this, and then repeat the process. So thank you for watching this tutorial of More Breeze. I hope you enjoyed this video of me traveling around Dale Holmes Park and all stuff. I had a photographer, my uncle. He's an amazing artist. I might post a video of his art gallery in case you're curious to seeing that. I got a video of me walking through this whole art gallery, and he's an amazing art. iBombs. That's his company, his art company. But yep, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.
They call me Mr. Loba Loba. They call me Mr. Loba Loba. Yeah, they call me Mr.
really fantastic. Nothing on me, but this is a Mr. Rowe.